Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Me? I'm great. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make your chicken Hawaiian pizza. It consists of chicken and pine. This past Sunday was my son's 11th birthday, so happy birthday, Andy. I love you. So he wanted some pizza, so I decided to make this chicken Hawaiian pizza for him. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll show you guys step by step how to make chicken Hawaiian pizza. So enjoy. Let me just show you my ingredients. Hey guys, this is my ingredients for my chicken Hawaiian pizza. So first we have some salt here, yeast, sugar, pineapples, cheese, flour, oil, and some warm water. And for season up my meat, I have some black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, some chicken season, and this is my chicken here. This is some chicken thighs, but I deboned it and I cut it up small because I don't really like the breast, because the breast is be too tough. So I'm gonna season up my meat now. Okay, I'm gonna season up my chicken. So what I'm gonna do is put half teaspoon of chicken seasoning. Then I'm gonna put some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some onion powder. Okay guys, I'm gonna also put a little bit of paprika and all-purpose seasoning. What I'm gonna do is mix this up and let it marinate a little bit. You have to fry this up when it finishes marinating. So what I'm gonna do now, while this marinated, I'm going to go and do my go mix my dough now. This aside. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is to put in my sugar and my water and stir it up and let the sugar melt a little. And then I'm gonna put in my yeast and leave it for about 10 minutes, let it raise, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so our yeast has risen, so what we're gonna do now is just put our salt and our oil, and we're gonna put our 4 cups of flour. And then we're gonna mix it up. Okay guys, so I'm gonna mix up my dough here now, clean around the sides and try to knead it. I'm gonna put it on the countertop instead and knead it better here. If it's too sticky, just put a little flour and you knead it for about 3 to 4 minutes till it gets smooth. Alright, so we'll be back. Okay guys, so my dough is finished kneading. It's smooth. So what I'm gonna do now is put it back into the same container. Put it back in the same container, and you can cover it with a plastic wrap, or you can cover it with your kitchen towel. So we'll be back in half an hour. Okay guys, so while I'm waiting for my dough to raise, I'm gonna fry up my chicken. So I just put 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. So I'm gonna put in my chicken thighs. fry up. My chicken is frying up here. It's gonna finish cooking fast because it's thighs, boneless thighs. Okay guys, so my chicken has been cooking for about 12 minutes, so it's all done. So I'm gonna let this cool off, and then I'm still waiting for my dough to raise. So when my dough raises as well, I'll put this as the topping on my dough. We'll be back. Hi guys, so see my dough has risen there, so I'm gonna put some flour in my hands and take out my dough. Oh, I forgot to punch it. And take out my dough here and put a little flour, and I'm gonna make 2 pizza today, just like the last time. I'm going to some oil in my pan here. Okay guys, so just put some oil in my pan here, and I'm going to just turn it all around. Make sure the oil is coated all around, and then I'm gonna put my pizza in and just spread it around. And just spread it around. If you want, you can use a rolling pin, but I'm just gonna use my hands and just spread it around till it reaches the end. Alright? Okay guys, so I just spread out my dough on the pan. So what I'm going to do now is just take a fork and just make some holes all the way around like this. Okay guys, so I'm going to put my sauce now on my pizza. Then I'm going to take the back and just rub it all over like this. Just like this. Okay, so I spread my sauce all over my pizza. So what I'm gonna do now is put my cheese. Just gonna put my cheese all over as well. Okay, so I finished spreading my cheese. So what I'm gonna do now is put my pineapples all around, because this is a chicken Hawaiian pizza, so it have to have pines in it. Perfect. Okay, so I already put my pine. So what I'm gonna do now is put my chicken. This is the chicken thighs, boneless thigh that I just fry up. So I'm gonna spread the chicken all over the pizza, just like this. Okay, I already put my chicken. So what I'm gonna do is put this in the oven to bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. We'll be back. Okay guys, so this is my chicken Hawaiian pizza. It has chicken, pine, and cheese. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my chicken Hawaiian pizza, and please subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up, and also you can leave a comment down below. So thank you so much for watching, and stay blessed. I'm not going to try this pizza on camera because I'm running late. Today's my son's birthday and we have to go out. Alright, so see you in the next video. Bye. Stay blessed. Okay, the ride is done now. Here we go to birthday boy. How was the ride?
Good.
You had fun? You got sick though?